This is the unboxing of the Retevis RT22 Walkie Talkies, pack of 4. I got this from Amazon. They are very light. They come with rechargeable batteries and also chargers. That is even including the adapter to the plugins, which is really cool. So to pop it out, you just have to pop it out from the top and then push it down to the bottom of the body of the walkie-talkie. And to pop the battery compartment out, you don't actually push it. You pull it up from the top right there. So you pop it open by pulling the tab out, the entire cover out from the top. Just testing it out. You're too close to me.
We have a Walkie.
So changing the station, the channel. We are on channel 1 right now, but you can change the channels through these buttons right here. So there's plus, minus. So if you want to go up to channel 2,
2,
see, it tells you.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1.
So 16 channels. So when you turn them on,
Power on. 1.
not too close to your mouth.
Twinkle, twinkle, equals 9. Hoodie, Paw Patrol, and fan, TikToks, and pianos, and TV,